you're wondering why it's on Battle App, well, have you seen this trailer yet? Let's watch it. And I have a good friend here, Blade.
Guys.
If you couldn't hear him, he said hi. So he's gonna be in our videos, and in this video we're gonna try to find like the new tires, sorta. Right, Ronan? Right, Blade?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it like yeah, Craggy Cliffs is closest. So I'm wearing Kit because he's like more like a mechanic. No, I'm putting on Jules really quick, and I couldn't put on Jules. Run it.
Alright.
So have a look in the trailer. It's at Pleasant Park, so let's land at Pleasant, okay?
Alright, make a marker. Once we get in.
It showed it was at Pleasant. And whatever you do not throw something down that sort of looks like a grenade.
Dude, where are you?
I'm at Pleasant.
There you are, I'm coming.
So they look like it was more
Dude, I see somebody.
No, that's just the MP, like that's the Spear Guardian.
Okay. Alright. I'm coming.
I want to know how to get. Look how high you could jump. Jump, okay, Ronan?
Okay, hold on. What? Wait, I'm still in the air. Hi.
Huh.
Look, ready? Ready? Come here.
Wait, look how high you go with shockwaves. Come outside.
Oh, we're ready for this?
2, 1, jump.
I didn't do it. Oh my god.
Look how high I am. So it doubles the high you go. Wait, so where are the tires?
Hold on, come with me. Come here. I think I found something.
Are you destroying a car?
I want the stuff from it.
Okay, so where are those tires? You get them in a chest or something?
I don't know. I've never found.
Guys, comment down below if you know where the if you know how to get the tires, because I honestly have no idea. Ronan, do you know?
But I put a med kit.
Cool.
Hey, do you want to write on a bandage?
That's for another video.
Okay. Oh, I found a boat.
Okay. Do not blow up that car.
Good. Hey, wait for me.
Wait, don't get it. Wait.
Wait, what if we break enough of them? Then, wait, if we break, I had an idea. If we break enough, maybe, just, you're hitting me?
Oh. Don't hit me.
How do you like it? Not you. I'm sorry, I'm about to die. Dude, I have a med kit, and I'm using this.
Well, you didn't need to.
You know I could bow you. I have a bow. But just don't hurt me, okay?
Okay.
I can't find you now.
Cause okay, bow me. Try.
Oh, wait. I know where you are.
I know where you are. But where are tires? Like, how do we get them?
I'm up in the air spinning. I'm gonna land on a tree.
Guys, comment down below if you know how to get tires, like those off-wheel.
Wait.
What?
I already told them that.
I know.
Then why are you asking them again?
Just please. What if they forgot? But
Alright,
like literally, for real, how did you get them?
where are you?
I don't know. I'm at Pleasant Park.
Oh. Wait. What if the Spear Guardian has them to trade for something?
You can't trade with a Spear Guardian. Wait, but you can kill them and get their free loot. And they get nothing.
Hey, wait for me. I'm coming your way.
I honestly don't know how to get these. Someone tell me! Maybe it's in an ammo box? Nope. Ronan, check your inventory.
Okay, let me check. Hold on. Wait.
Because maybe...
I have resources.
What are the resources? No, like, oh, wait, what are the resources?
I have mech parts.
Neck?
Mech. Like, parts from a car since
Mechanical.
Mechanical. Wait. Oh, come on.
Okay, I'm in here.
I see you.
No! No way. There's literally no way there. Yep, I knew it.
What?
Nothing.
You found them.
No.
Then why would you like no way?
I like, no way. I thought it'd be in there. But they only give you mechanical parts, see?
I have a mechanical part.
What?
How'd you dodge that?
Try and shoot me again.
No, you're gonna shoot me.
What resources? Wait, what does this do? Try and shoot me. I'm gonna stand still.
Wanna know something? I want sniped Gavin in the head.
Try and kill. You're just very bad at aiming. You can't hit me.
Why?
I don't know. Probably because you have bad aim. Wait.
Wait for me. Hey, wait up.
No, don't get in. Hey, why are you stealing my Lambo?
Fine, I'm going.
Get out!
I need to get in the driver. I'm in the passengers. Oh, wait, that dropped something.
I have a better Lambo.
Your Lambo is busted to chops.
I want to drive up a hill.
Wait.
What?
Idea.
What's up?
There's llama. I just saw llama.
I know, because there's 100 llamas in Battle App. Is this your first time ever being in Battle App?
Yes.
Okay.
Why can't I search it?
If you can't, I don't know.
Searching it right now and let me see what drops. Wait, what the? Wait. I got a shot grenade.
I know. Llamas don't drop weapons.
Do you want to go flying again? Where are you?
I'm in the air. Wait, I have more. Wait.
Yeah,
Wait,
did I
look.
just fly over you?
No, look at this bow. Look how powerful this bow is. I'm gonna land. Okay, land. Come here. I'm gonna no. Do not shockwave.
I shoot a shot grenade.
My bow did that. Boom! Just come on. The video only has like 6 minutes left. Get in.
Hey. Okay.
You're in it.
Do you want me to use the shot grenade and find
There's
you?
no way. No way.
I just flew backwards and
No.
Wait, did you find them?
Yeah.
Wait for me. I want to see what they look like.
They look like a tire.
Yeah, I heard about you.
Wait, we have to get a better car. Come on, let's go to Pleasant.
Okay.
There's no way I actually found this, and it's only been 10 minutes. It took me 10 minutes to find an off-road tire.
Hey, I have an idea.
Ooh, there's another Lambo.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do.
I'm coming. I'm going. Wait for me.
We're gonna. No, you drive the Lambo to the gas station, like how we did in the trailer, and then I'm gonna throw it on because I'm Kit the Mechanical. Get your butt over here!
I'm coming. Wait.
You're coming or what? Stop! This is my Lambo. Get out! Now let me drive.
Nope. Bye-bye.
No, I'm in it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Are you driving?
No, you are. Let me drive, for real. You have to let me drive. It's. Wait, before you get in and fuel it up.
I'm in. Wait, go up the mountain.
Wait, no, fuel me up first. We need a lot of fuel.
Okay. I'll fuel us.
This is the coolest thing ever. Look at the wheels. Like, we got big, chunky wheels. We got the chunkiest wheels of all. It's on a. Wait, did you?
I pressed the wrong button. Hold up. It takes a little bit.
You know what? I'll just do it. Don't drive. Don't get. I said don't. You better let me drive.
No. Are you peeing?
Yeah. Get in.
Hey. Okay, I'm in. Let's listen to this. Okay, go up mountain. One mountain, bruh. Wait, hold on. Let me look on the map. Let me see where the closest mountain is. I found a good one.
How about over there? Wait, here. How about let's test out this if it actually.
What?
Yeah, that's. We need a taller one.
Okay, you
Has the spear guardian? Wait, that's the spear assassin, not the spear.
Wait. I just saw a chest.
So, 2 llamas. And there's only 2 minutes left of the video, so guys, I'll see you when we get to the mountain. So guys, we just passed Lazy Lake. We had a few pit stops, but we are out and we're going to Caddy Corner. And wait, here's the mountain.
Didn't we just see a truck, right?
Yeah.
Right? What if? Just what if? When we're done with this one, we try it with a truck.
Well, we need more wheels.
True.
Maybe we'll make a part 2 of this video. There's 1 minute left. Oh, it's actually working. We just lost our Lambo.
No, we didn't.
Well, yeah, we did it. Well, let's come on. Come on, let's go back up. Come on, get it. We're going back up.